Chapter 11, Constructions. The first question is, construct the bisector of a given angle. Construct the bisector of a given angle. What do you mean by bisector? It is a line that divides the angle into two equal parts. So we have to divide this angle as two angles of equal measure. So what's the question? It is the construct the bisector of a given angle. For this, what you have to do is take any radius and take B as a center, draw an arc like this. Take B as a center with any radius, draw an arc and mark this point as D and this point as E. Then what we need is bisector of this angle. So take more than half of DE. Take more than half of DE and draw the arc from D and from E. Mark the point of intersection of these two arcs as P. So what we have done first, we have taken B as a center and any radius, draw an arc DE. After this, what we have taken is take more than half of DE and draw an arc from D and from E also. Take the point of intersection of these two arcs as P. Then what you have to do is join B and P. Join B and P. Extend this. This is the required bisector. So if you measure, you can see that these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. So this is the angle bisector of this given angle, angle ABC. So what we have done first is we have taken B as a center and any radius, draw an arc DE. So we have drawn DE. Then after that, take more than half of DE as a radius and D as a center, draw an arc. E as a center, draw an arc. So take the point of intersection of these two arcs as P and join BP. So angle ABP is equal to angle PBC. This is the required angle. Second question. You have to write the steps of construction for this if the question, if it is asking for 3 mark. 1 mark and 2 mark, no need. So 3 marks onwards, if there is any construction question, you have to write the steps. Steps of construction means the steps which we are following. You have to write as sentence. So next question is, construct an angle of 60 degree. Construct an angle of 60 degree at the initial point of a given ray. At the initial point of a given ray. We have to construct 60 degree. We have to construct at the initial point of a given ray. So we need a ray. So this is the initial point. I am marking as O and I am naming this as OB. So OB is the given ray. You have to construct an angle of 60 degree. For this, take O as the center and any radius, draw an arc like this or draw a semicircle, that's also correct. And mark this point as P. Should not change this radius after this. So first we have to draw an arc of any radius. Should not change this radius. After that, what you have to do is take P as a center, draw an arc on this semicircle or the first given arc or first arc. So what's the first step? Draw an ray OB, draw a ray OB and take any radius and O as the center. Draw an arc or draw a semicircle. Then mark the point of intersection of this arc with the ray as P, and taking P as the center, and with the same radius make a cut on this arc or draw an arc on this. Mark it as A. Join AO. Extend this. This is the required angle. This angle is 60 degree. So this is the construction of an angle 60 degree. What we have done? Given a ray OB, take O as the center and any radius, draw an arc. Then what you have to do is mark the point of intersection of this ray with the arc as P. Take P as the center and with the same radius make a cut on this and mark the point of intersection of this arc with the earlier arc as A. So join AO. Angle AOB is a required angle which is equal to 60 degree. Next question. Construct an angle of 120 degree. Construct an angle of 120 degree at the initial point of a given ray. First part is same as earlier. Take any radius, draw an arc like this. Mark the point of intersection of these two as P. Then same procedure, we have to construct 60 degree first. Take P as the center, draw an arc with the same radius and mark this as Q. From Q with the same radius, make a cut on this, that is A. Then what you have to do is join AO. This is a required angle. This is 120 degree. So this is the construction of 120 degree. What's the question? Construct an angle of 120 degree at the initial point of a given ray. So ray OB, then take the compasses and with the any radius and take O as the center, draw an arc. Take the point of intersection of these two as P. Take P as the center, make a cut on this with the same radius, mark it as Q. Second step what we are doing is we are taking Q as a center with the same radius and making a cut on this, that is A. So angle AOB is equal to 120 degree. This is the required angle.